Hello friends, this is Dr. Bharath Chandra. Today's topic, interesting one. Many people keep asking us when we are conducting workshops, as also sometimes in email, sometimes in comment section of the YouTube, and the other day in the live session somebody asked me a question. Sir, being an Indian, can I buy shares in USA and how profitable they are? Normally in our workshops we talk about the profitability of the Indian shares, how to buy, and the rules and regulations governing Indian stocks. But today we are going to cover some aspects of US stocks. I made a beautiful list for you, and look at the profitability. Some of the famous companies. Apple was 30 cents in the year October 2000. Today, October 2020, Apple is $115 per share, and the profitability CAGR wise per annum 34.64%. Very good percentage, unlike what we think of US. Google has given a neat return of 18.95%, Microsoft 12.1%, Berkshire Hathaway belonging to Warren Buffett 8.43%, Walmart 7.98%, Facebook started in 2012, 33% returns per annum, Amazon 25.16%, JP Morgan Chase 7.61%, Ford Motor on the verge of close down, Procter & Gamble 10.58%, Pfizer 2.77%, Netflix started in 2002, giving you neat return of 41%. Now I have somewhere around 6 observations for you regarding this video. First one is, all these stocks which we mentioned are large cap and index companies in USA. The second one, popular technology companies have performed well, but at the same time, pharma, banks, FMCG in USA, very mediocre performance. Third observation, generally speaking, the overall returns of NASDAQ is only 10.7% per annum the last 40 years. As against this, the Sensex last 40 years has given 16.1%, means profitability wise Indian stock market is much better, being a developing country. The US, the bank FD rate is around 1.2% per annum when compared to 5.5%, 6.5%, even up to 8% in India. The fifth observation is, there are about 4,500 companies listed in the US stock markets, and the sixth observation is, about 55% of the adult population in US is investing in stock markets, I mean including the mutual funds, whereas in India the stock market exposure is only 3% and mutual funds maybe another 3 to 5%. Now I'm going to give you one more interesting piece of information for all of you. What is the cost of one share of these popular stocks in rupee terms? Apple cost of one share in rupee is 8,510. Google 1,21,434. Microsoft 15,984. Berkshire Hathaway 15,688, Walmart 10,656, Facebook 21,090, Amazon highest I feel 2,37,096 rupees, JP Morgan Chase 7,696, Ford Motor 592, Procter Gamble 10,508, Pfizer 2,812, Netflix 36,112. The next question, can an Indian invest in US? The answer is straightforward, no at present. From being an Indian, you cannot invest. Of course, if you're an NRI, yes, you can do from the respective countries, but Indians cannot invest. And my next question is it safe to invest in US? I don't think so, because let us imagine you are buying a site or a plot of land in Bangalore, you can manage it. Suppose you buy a plot of land in America, you cannot have control on that. Similarly, the stocks you buy in USA, probably in my opinion, you will not have much control. Better you invest in the stocks in India. However, the rules and regulations are becoming easier day by day because of the global economy. Maybe in the next few months or years, it may be possible for an Indian to invest in USA. My dear friends, if you are a subscriber of Dr. Bharath Chandra YouTube channel, very good. Not a subscriber, time to start subscribing. Press the bell icon. If you like the video, press the like button. Let me tell you, assemble this video, to assemble the facts, it took us more than 4 hours because we need to refer to the internet extensively. And I hope you like the video. And if the information that we gave in this video is absolutely new for you, and this is the first time you are knowing more about US markets, in the comment section type new so that we will feel very happy that we have given you some information. Share this video to at least 50 people. Yesterday we had produced one video regarding the profitability of the Indian stock market companies by SIP mode, and it has gone almost viral to large number of people because of a cooperation. Similarly, send this video to at least 50 people so that they will also get knowledge about foreign stock markets. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye.